Today we're doing Chinese barbecue in my backyard with my circus. We're having pork belly, spicy potatoes, and spicy chicken satay in my Chinese style. In the end, he's peeing there. Eat the marshmallow in my way, or maybe in your way. So let's get the barbecue party started. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. First, we soak the bamboo skewers in the water for a couple of hours. Here we got some cute small potatoes, a pot. We are boiling this first before you barbecue them. Let's get the chicken ready. Chop the chicken in cubes. Today I use the chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh. Chicken thigh probably tastes better, it's a dark meat, but chicken breast healthier, especially Chengdu barbecue. It's all on the skewers. Here, the pork belly. I slice the pork belly into small pieces, cut this in half, and from here, slice something like this big. Then this for the pork belly, you don't have to marinate. We are going to put this on the green onions, so it got some of the flavor. Lemongrass and shallots and some garlic. You can do this all in the food processor, but you know me, I am a cleaver person, wok person too. Of course, use this every day. Didn't have a food processor when I grew up in China. Everything's a cleaver. So just the white parts of lemongrass, you chop everything together. Food processor probably faster, but I just like use a cleaver for everything. Said I'm an old-fashioned lady. All right. Lemongrass. I love the smell, right? Smell. I can't even pronounce the English name. Yep, that's the way to do it. Peel the garlic and chop them small. You can go pretty fast. Then you don't need a food processor. Those are big shallots, I just use one. Peel first. So everything's chopped in Chinese food. That's why we don't use fork and knife to eat the food. Ooh, this is, who's gonna cry? Oh, that's my eyes. This is strong. Oh yes, look at me. I'm so emotional right now. I know recently a lot of YouTubers doing what kind of video? Apologizing video? Hope I never do this. Okay, I apologize, I'm crying. Put it in the bowl here. Say it again, I measure this for you for the recipes. Otherwise, I measure with my Chinese eyeballs. 2 tablespoons olive oil. For this one, I use olive oil. You know me, I use canola oil a lot for stir fry. Get a half tablespoon of salt. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Look at this yellow color. Turmeric. This is Sichuan chili powder. They're pretty spicy. If you get chili powder from just a regular grocery store, they're not that spicy. Can get an Asian market. Look at this color. If you love this chicken satay a little more energy, a little more fire, feel free to add more. I need some sugar to balance the taste. 2 tablespoons sugar. Where chicken satay originally from, you don't add this. Just my personal preferences. Sichuan peppercorn powder, freshly ground. 1 teaspoon of that. Little lumpness in your tongue. It's my kids' chopsticks, little rabbit. To mix this marinade, I'll add a couple of tablespoons water. So it won't be too dry. Oh, it smells so good, look at this. Have your chicken jump in this marinated sauce. It's best to marinate overnight, but don't have time. Just marinate at least for an hour. Just get this massage, get your hands in here. I'm gonna leave in the fridge and then prepare the pork belly and potatoes. Now we chop these cooked potatoes, chopped in half. Some bigger ones you might have to chop again, depends on the size you'll get. Cumin, toss in. So for you, maybe 1 teaspoon, but for me, maybe 2. Cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons. Chili pepper powder. Sichuan peppercorn powder. Salt. Sprinkled in, like a Chinese style black pepper, I don't know. Chuan Bawang is the brand. This particular brand actually is from Sichuan, Chengdu. Mixing, you can just eat one right now. We're gonna put it on the grill. You get all the spice on the potato. Get your bamboo skewer, poke in the center. Look at that, how easy this is. Let's put 4. Oh, look at the color, shining. Also, I'm gonna grill some corn. So while you are grilling on the grill, you can see if you want it spicier, just sprinkle some more. That's what I'm gonna do with the pork belly. Look at this. Now we chop some green onions, put it in the tray to put the pork belly on top. You don't have to chop really small, just little bigger pieces. Get this baking sheet, we put the green onions down here. We can make a little bedding for the pork to sleep on this. Here, remember, you're soaking your bamboo skewers. They are ready. So here, take one and just go through in the middle. So you can do like 4 or 5 pieces, whatever you like. Now I put on the green onion bed. Green onion bed. That sounds like something you want to sleep on. Our marinated chicken is ready to put on the bamboo skewer. Here's the bamboo skewer. Let's put the chicken on. Probably put a 5 or 6. Look at the golden color. Gonna walk to the backyard with me. Who's coming? Who's signing up for the circus? Comment below here. Let me know. I know some of you guys want to sign up. Join me. Join the family. All the food I post here on YouTube is the food actually we eat at home. So maybe I think I should do a video called What We Eat in a Day. Ooh, yeah. Oh, just look at the color before grilling. Even the raw chicken, you want to have a bite, right? Here we are outside. Sip on this one. Ooh, it's hard. My husband's gonna help fix the fire. I don't have gloves. It's like a hot sauna. We have to wait for the meat to cook. See the background here? Right here is the corn, spicy potatoes. You gonna use spicy potatoes? A little bit. Now we put the chicken satay on the grill. 红红，你怎么不烧烤呀？注意不要烫到手了啊！ Gonna flip those chicken. Sitting up at the table here so we can eat. Brush this some oil. I use canola oil. Sprinkle some cumin. I like a lot of cumin. Both sides you can. Some Sichuan chili powder. Maybe I do half spicy, half not. So Cindy doesn't eat spicy. Peppercorn powder. Husband is helping me put on the grill. I'm the cameraman right here. 你呢？可不。See the chicken satay right here. It's almost ready. I'm gonna sizzle in the pork belly until you see the fat comes out. Here, everything is cooked. Pork belly and spicy potatoes, corn. Spicy potato. Let's try one.
Where's Oscar?
Ah, he's peeing there. 什么？不要按我的镜头。Spicy. You can taste the peppercorn. It'll numb in your lips. Oh, it's so good. We're both gonna take a bite. Oh, what you know? Oh, right.
Have s'mores.
Dinner is not finished. We are doing the marshmallows right now. Put 2 on the skewer. How many do you want? Circus making it.
It's so dirty. I don't want to put it in a clean spot. Let me taste the cracker. Daddy, there's yellow on my s'more and it's like turning dark.
Yeah, just leave it.
Chili pepper powder on the s'more.
What?
Huh? This chili pepper.
No, the s'more.
No?
Not happening.
Huh?
I don't want it.
I'm just waiting someone to make one for me.
I'll make
Who's that for?
Wow, 再挤一下，把它按一下，真好吃啊。
You want one?
You gonna make one for me?
Yep.
You're on my YouTube. 好不好吃？Want some chili pepper on it?
No.
How about you?
Good?
So fancy. Let's push it down a little bit. Here's my s'more. He made this for me. It's good. Oh, I need some chocolate. The chicken satay, pork belly, and spicy potato. Which one's your favorite today?
I like your marshmallow. I mean not. I like your potato and corn.
Potato and corn.
I like the bacon.
Bacon, pork
And
belly.
Next, we're gonna make a 100 miso soup.
Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe, and we will see you next week.
Whoa. Why do we need to subscribe?